In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GCash to Payoneer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your GCash app connected to your Payoneer account so you can manage funds more smoothly from one place. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your GCash app, you have an active Payoneer account, and your internet connection is stable. Keeping your apps updated also helps prevent sign-in issues during the process. Start by opening the GCash app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load your dashboard. From the main screen, look for the Profile section, usually found as an icon or label on the upper right or lower navigation bar, depending on your app version. Tap Profile to open your account settings and personal options. Inside your profile, find the section labeled My Linked Accounts. This is where GCash lets you connect trusted third-party services. Tap My Linked Accounts to see the available connections. On the list, look for Payoneer. When you see it, tap Link Now. This will redirect you to a secure Payoneer sign-in page embedded in the app or in a protected browser window. On the Payoneer sign-in screen, carefully enter the email address and password associated with your Payoneer account. Double-check for typos before proceeding and make sure you're using the correct account credentials. When everything looks correct, tap Sign In to continue. Depending on your Payoneer security settings, you might be asked to confirm your identity or approve the connection. Simply follow any on-screen prompts to complete that verification. Once the sign-in is successful, you'll be redirected back to GCash and should see a confirmation that Payoneer is now linked. To be certain, return to the My Linked Accounts section and confirm that Payoneer appears as connected. That's it. The link is active, and GCash will now recognize your Payoneer account for supported features. If you run into trouble signing in, review your email and password for accuracy and ensure your connection is stable. Updating both apps can resolve most unexpected errors. If the Link Now button doesn't respond or the page doesn't load, close and relaunch GCash, then try again. And if you see an error from Payoneer, it may be related to security checks, so completing any requested verification should clear it. You've just learned how to link GCash to Payoneer quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify the link in your profile so everything's set for when you need it.